Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V40s, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. I'll be using this for my video anyway. So let's take off a cover if you have one on your phone, and the tray is located at the bottom of the device right over here. So I'll just pop it out by pushing the pen in. You can grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for SD card on the bottom side and SIM card on the, oh wait, no, the other way around. On the bottom side, right? Yep, it looks like the bottom side is SIM/SD card and top side is just SD SIM. So we'll just place SIM card right here and then flip it over and slap there we go, SD card. Now you do want to make sure that they are clipped in, so they shouldn't be protruding from the tray, as you can see. And also if you flip it over, none of the cards should fall out. So if that's the case, you can now insert it back into your phone. Like this. And the cards should start working right away. So there is the SD card notification that it detected it. So SD card is working, and let's see if we have reception, and we do. So SIM is working as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.